Hi everyone. In this video, you'll get to see both Varshit and Shivansh working on the EVS worksheets, and Shivansh is actually doing it, and Varshit is actually helping him out. So, if you want more information on the worksheets or how to do it exactly, you can go ahead and check the link in the description box. I will even add the link at the end of this video and even in the tag on the top. So, you can go ahead and have a look at that video for more details on the EVC worksheets. Do let us know if you would like to watch Varshit and Shivansh more. And here we go. Let's see how they do.
I am Shivansh. I'm doing activity. Hi, I'm Varshit. Today we are both doing activities. I'm going to explain how to do it. Shivansh, you match this car to the same wheels. Now the tractors. Now the bike. You didn't touch to anything. Now where the boat will go? In the lake. Where the airplane will go? Sky. Where the bus will go? Road. Right? Where the page? Where is the matching for the car? This. Where is the matching for the boat? This. Where is the matching for the fire truck? This. Where is the same shadow? Shadow? This. Where is the same car shadow? Where is the same shadow of the boat? Whoops. Now this. Helicopter has wheels? No. So, helicopter. Now, submarine goes in water. This goes in. This and this goes in road. Twister. To this fire you have to match. This fire, fire will go all to the moon. Put fire. This.
Slowly, Shivansh, slowly.
Good job. Now, which is good for sun? Cycle. This. No. This is. Yes. Sure, no. Yes.
You need to tell him why it's not good for climate.
I feel.
The hot air balloon has fire, Shivansh. It's not good for clouds.
Shivan, the clouds are black and the sun is red, no? So it's bad. Which is bad for sun and clouds? This. Match. Scooter is not. Car?
You need to match it to the cloud, Shivansh.
Next one, okay? Can I go to next one? Yes. Match the same wheels.
Count the number of wheels, Shivansh.
2, 3.
3. Does car have 3 wheels?
No.
How many wheels does car have? 4 wheels.
0. Chicken.
Slowly, Shivansh.
It's not straight around the path.
No. Come here. No, Shivansh, no. You need to come like this. Loop and loop. Yes. It's okay. He's still a small boy. He's learning. Loop and loop, Shivansh. Good job. Yeah, loop and loop. Loop and loop. No, loop and loop, Shivansh. No, loop and loop. Here. Come here. That's okay. You can cover it now. Loop and loop. Loop and loop. Good job, Shivansh. One more loop and loop.
And straight.
Good job, Varshit. Good job, Shivansh.
What's it doing?
Because you're explaining very nicely to Shivansh.
Good job, Shah. Can we go to next? Yes. under the trolley.
Now let's see.
Not junk in the trolley.
You need to say which is healthy, Shivansh.
This is healthy. This is healthy.
Good.
Bellakai healthy. This is healthy. This is healthy. Strawberry healthy. My grapes. Grapes healthy. And this is Nava. Shiva, this is fruit. F for fruit and V for vegetable. Down. You have to go like this down. Down. Good job. This is also down. This is up. Up. This is a fruit or a vegetable? Fruit. So you have to match it with F. Okay. Now this is vegetable. Your jump.
Good job, Shivansh.
This cauliflower is a vegetable. This. Good job. This no fruit. This is orange. This is bendakai fruit. Yesterday.
No, that's okay. It's still fine. He's matching with V, right? So it's fine. Oh, is watermelon a vegetable, Shivansh? Then why did you match with V? Can you match it with F? That's okay. You can correct it now. Good job. Now finish the next one, please.
This small, all small for the small bowl.
Sure, you need to tell whether it's a small one or big one.
Small.
Good.
Big one. Small one. Small one. Small one. Big one. Big one. It's small.
I can say banana and apple, Shivansh.
Banana and apple. Is it pumpkin?
Yeah, another pumpkin is also pending.
Pumpkin. Good job. Can we do it? Yes. One thing down.
No, let Anna explain.
This we have to play so like that. You have to match with
Which sense? It's body part senses.
which body part senses. No. Yes.
We eat with tongue. Good.
The smell.
Yes, smell. You smell flowers. Good.
We hear story.
We hear, we listen to story. Good.
We listen to story. We.
What's that? We look at rainbow.
It's Christian.
It's
Christian.
You want to trace that? Okay, trace. Trace.
Which we look you have to matching.
Match with something that you will look at.
This is look at.
Good.
This is look at.
Good.
This is look at. Cupcake नहीं जोड़ा. This is look at. TV. This is look at.
What kind of matching is it, Shivansh? You should all match to the eyes like this.
I think you're matching this.
You just connected everything. That's okay. What about rainbow? What about rainbow? What about rainbow?
Here you go. It's just
That's so nice. Okay, next one.
funny.
Funny, it's so fun. We will hear.
We hear.
Yeah, we will not hear
Cake.
cake. We will eat cake, so it's not matching.
We hear.
Good job, we
Next
hear.
one.
That's okay, you don't have to tick. You can cross, it's enough.
Look.
Yes.
We look.
We look.
Ice cream nature's tongue. We look.
We eat.
We eat. We eat. We eat.
So which is not matching?
This.
Good. Cross it out.
Strong. Plus one.
That's okay. He's still 3 years old, so it's fine.
It's just time.
Look.
ఇచ్చిస్తాము.
No, we don't look at pizza. Yes.
That's not pizza.
Oh, what's that then?
Watermelon.
Oh, that's a watermelon. Oh, okay. I thought it's a pizza. I'm sorry.
One smell just some.
Yes, we smell it.
One smell just some. One smell just some. One smell just some.
We don't smell caries.
Grass.
Grass it out. Okay.
Windy dealer.
Yeah, we fly kites in windy.
Summer little glasses is good.
We wear glasses in summer.
Rainy dealer umbrella is good. Summer dealer half sun glasses is good. Half sun
Glouses, Shiva. Glouses and scarf.
She wanted to have fun. Yes. Bye. Bye.